Huh? So the mandatory to any Love Hotel is you're not allowed to leave the Love Hotel once you buy your entry. So the best thing is to get all your snacks and all your drinks and everything that you want in the Love Hotel before you go in. Okay, so we got all of our Love Hotel stuff. We got the hall, right?
I already have. That's you.
Hey, yo!
I'm blushing. Stop, you're gonna make me too nervous. And we got Mr. Bags. Yes, hello sir, how much?
How much you want?
No contact. I just want Fred to sit in the corner and tell me he's proud of me.
Fix all your daddy.
The area that we're going is over there. It's called the Love Hotel Hills. Around the corner, like you can already see so many. Hotel Claire. This is the good one I like. We should go to this one.
Okay.
Fancy one.
Yeah, Hotel Claire.
Something like nice or like you just some vibes. Dungeon. That's what I like.
Well, I'm just a typical little girl. I like dancing and ponies and getting my snooch pounded on Friday nights.
So you can see that they show picture. Yeah, you kind of know what you're getting.
Looks decent.
Yeah, just regular room. It kind of looks like AI photos actually.
Yeah.
Once they go in, I'll show you, but the door right there, it's so secretive. Like the door's there, but they're still covered. So you get out of the public eye so quick.
That's smart.
So this right here says, need so that's 2 hours, 4,800.
That is amazing.
So these are all Love Hotels. Hotel Amour. Yeah, the further away you get from the station, the cheaper they get. Hotel White City. My favorite part is you can always tell what's a Love Hotel and what's not because it's very extravagant. Like if you were in any other country, I would think this place is fancy.
Yeah. So Mars told me the reason why there's so many soap options at these places so the men can use the one they have at home. Wife won't find out.
Yes.
Spouse.
That is
So they don't come home smelling different. This one's pretty good. 3,600. YouTube.
yes. They want us to go there.
This one looks pretty small. I like how this one has the double chair for group activities.
Yeah. Double.
Okay, so we chose Hotel White City 23. I've never been to this one before, so this is a new experience for both of us. So you want to click it? Click English. Please touch screen. So we can choose any room. Oh, people are getting busy today.
Okay, so these. This
Yeah.
one looks cute. It's like
Yeah, let's go
little
for that
table.
one. So this one's 5,100, a bit more expensive. Click check in.
Chicken.
So yeah, so now we bring this to the front counter and we give them the money.
Okay. So we have till 11 to get out. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the price?
Yeah, so that's gonna be the price, but we pay over here. Rest. Oh my gosh.
Only 3 hours.
はい、大丈夫です。
Okay. 日本語大丈夫？
ちょっと大丈夫。日本語が少しわかります。でもまだ上手じゃありません。
じゃあ5500円頂戴します。
い
4500円のお返しで。こちら次回お持ちいただくと割引になります。
OK。
このお時間から3時間。
はい。
はい。で5回エレベーター降りたら左に行ってください。
ありがとうございます。わかりました。So I guess we choose which basket you want, and I guess the rest of the amenities are in the room. Yeah.
We like rose.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is good. Okay. Okay, room 5. Sweaty. Aircon on blast.
We gotta chill for a bit.
So normally they have all the amenities there to grab, but I'm guessing this is a quicker place. So just the shampoo, for the reason we sat outside. And then I guess all the rest of the amenities are just in the room already. So I'm gonna be taking those. I like how it blinks for you to let you know like which room to come to. I love. Arigatou gozaimasu. Very dark. Where's the light switches? Oh, hi. I wasn't expecting another booking for like an hour, but you know, I had good time.
Came a little bit early, you know.
Welcome to my Love Hotel. Like any good Japanese place, you are currently standing in the genkan. You take your shoes off there. Very interesting. Here in Japan, the genkan is considered outside. So you're not supposed to do bare feet there and you're not supposed to bring your shoes in. So if you go on the left here, As soon as you walk in, the first thing you see, so we got the little toilet room with a bidet, of course.
Nice.
Of course, you gotta have that in a love hotel.
Definitely.
Yes. Just like a regular hotel, I feel like this is nothing special. The interesting thing is normally the amenities are downstairs and you choose what you want, but in this one, you choose the shampoo and conditioner you want, and then amenities are up here. So what do we got here? We got face lotion, face milk, all these things for cleansing, makeup off. I believe these are little mouthwash
Nice.
in case you hit up an izakaya for some yakiniku before you came here. Walk in. This is the there's washer and boots. You walk in.
Oh,
Huge tub.
Oh, we're going in there.
Huge tub.
And we have the bed on the other side.
My favorite part about big Japanese bathrooms like this, and I have it in mine too, but it's a lot smaller scale, is the little stool that you sit in front of the mirror and you wash your whole body there.
That's nice.
Yeah, I feel like washing my hair is such a task, and it just makes it so much easier for me.
Give it a go. Very nice. So this is the bedroom. We have a little chair, table situation, TV with your favorite Studio Ghibli movies. It is sports packed, nice and clean. I hope it's spirited away.
This
Oh man, it's been in here.
Alright.
How to change to something more fun. Over here, the microwave, CD player. You could play your own homemade stuff.
I think that's DVD.
Oh, DVD. Not sure if that's corn drink and tea. We have the fridge, of course. See, that's nice.
Each one of those that you open will charge you.
Yeah.
So you go pay it at the end.
So for a Coke, I just paid, what, 180 yen?
Mhm.
At the convenience here, it's 250.
They also have some beers down there too, in case you forgot to do a run. I like the little game panel.
Everything's a little bit sticky, actually. The floor, everything. Here's the main part. The bed. Should I try the bed?
Do a good jump.
That'll work.
That's actually so cozy. Flat enough that I'm like, I would get a good sleep, but not hard enough that it's awful.
Cute.
Oh, it's a window.
What?
If I was doing parkour,
I could jump that.
the dust means people are not caring about rules and regulations.
Oh yeah, they also have menu here, guys. If you get hungry in the middle of the act and you're like, I need spaghetti. Sorry, I'm not feeling this. I need spaghetti first.
I can't how many times I've been in the middle of the act and I've just been like, I wish I had spaghetti. What does that say? Body lotion. Oh, so this is like an a la carte menu as well.
VIP card.
Oh.
Also, you're a regular, or you are a woman of the night, and
Excellent.
this is your go-to workplace.
I mean, if they're offering VIP, heck yeah.
Oh yeah, totally. 2.
The thing is though, don't use the condoms that are provided in a love hotel. Get your own, get a proper brand.
Yeah.
These are very cheap.
Bring your own. Okay.
I mean, it's good as a very last resort,
Of course.
but...
Yeah. We got napkins, of course. I love that it's right at the bed.
Oh, set the mood.
Set the mood.
You can tell this is a very old love hotel, but hey, it gets the job done. 3 hours for $5,100. That's pretty cheap. In Canadian dollars, that's probably around $50. In American, I would say 35.
For being super central and 3 hours, I think that's a great deal. And there's
Yeah.
a bathtub.
Yeah,
With
the
what?
bathtub is
And
what's sold.
karaoke, right?
Yeah.
Should try to pull up the karaoke.
You can use the love hotel. You don't even need it just for sex. Like, we had such a good time making content. We did so many TikToks.
We did so much.
We did so much. So we're all done. The checkout is pretty easy. We're just gonna drop off the key and we can walk right out. They didn't get our names, they didn't get our credit card information, nothing. We just paid at the beginning, and that's it. That's the experience.
Yes, I recommend.
どうもありがとうございました。
はい
はい、鍵もらいます。はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
またお願いします。
Okay, so we're just outside the Love Hotel. We just checked out. It's very easy. We just dropped off the key. If you're ever concerned about a Love Hotel for same sex, we just went in together, no problems. And as we were checking out, we just saw 2 guys checking in. So
Yes.
this is clearly the spot to go if you're worried about something like that. We know for sure 100% it's good. How'd you rate your experience?
10 out of 10.
First Love Hotel?
Yeah. I don't know. I thought it would be like a little bit dark and sketchy and like a little bit dirty, but it was actually really nice.
Yeah, they keep them really clean.
It's like really nice hotel room vibes.
Yeah, this one is pretty old. It did have a little bit of a dingy vibe,
Yeah.
but You know what?
Yeah, for the price, you cannot complain, really.
Yeah.
And we had a blast. And also, they called
Yeah.
ahead of time, so we knew,
Yeah.
that, okay, we have 20 minutes left.
Yeah.
Which I thought was like, that's great.
Yeah, they call. It's not intimidating. You just pick it up. You know they're calling to say get out, and you just go moshi moshi, hello, and they go blah, in Japanese, and you go wakarimashita, I understand, and that's it. And that's just your like 15-20 minute warning. So it's not scary at all to pick up the phone either, even if you
No.
don't understand what they're saying.
And she was kind.
Yeah,
woman who works
super
here.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
What is that thing?
Huh?
Is that camera?
Camera.
Yes.
Camera?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.